In this video, we will show you how to replace your tailgate handle bezel on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly to your tailgate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To start removing the bezel from this area, you'll find that you have 4 locking clips, 2 along the bottom and 2 along the top. We'll be dealing with the 2 along the bottom and then we'll roll this out of place. To do this, we'll be using a plastic trim tool so we can be as careful as possible around the paint. I'm just going to try to stick this right in here. Gently start pulling away. I don't want to try to break anything. The next thing I'll do is use a small pocket screwdriver. In approximately this area, there's going to be a clip. We'll get underneath here and gently pry on that to start separating this. You can tell it's coming right out now. We'll do the same over here on the other side. Gently start prying on that. Use our small pocket screwdriver and press on that locking tab. Take hold of the bezel and carefully remove it. There it is, friends. Let's get ready to install our tailgate bezel. Now, while doing this, we're going to come in at an angle, starting with the top up and under this area, and then we'll roll the bottom aspect in to lock it in the proper position. Keep in mind while doing this, if you were putting in the bezel and you gave this too much of a tug, the tailgate might release on you. Be extremely careful. Slide this up behind here. Double check to make sure it's locked in all the way around. Okay friends, we fully installed our tailgate bezel. Confirm that it's seated properly all the way around. Aside from that, you can go ahead and test the handle to make sure the tailgate functions properly. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.